Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm here with another video, and today I'm just here to share my finished envelopes that I've made for my challenge. And I just wanted to just show you what I've done. And I think I'm finished. I'm ready to mail them out. So, but I'm going to mail them out individually, and it may take a while because I don't know how much all of this is going to cost me. I wasn't really thinking about costs, so just bear with me, okay? um, yeah, I was talking to some girls, and um, I think I'm sure I can do it. I just it's just I think I'm gonna just do it um, like 5 a week or something, or maybe more, depending. So anyway, I wanted to come on and share what I've done, and here's one. So if you followed my last live feed, I don't know if it was my last one, but it might have been. Well, it might have been a couple live feeds before. I was doing these envelopes that I used a technique that I saw on YouTube, and I've glimmer mist this. I've added some beeswax. I don't know what they're called. Hold on. I can't remember. What is this? It's from Artsy, and oh geez, it's I don't know what they called this. I forgot, but I know it's beeswax, and I rubbed it onto the paper along with some glimmer mist sprays that I had. I stamped it with my new favorite stamp that I found at Tuesday Morning, and I love this stamp. And I added some trim, some of this, it's almost like eyelash trim, but it's a little different from the norm, I think. Some Prima flowers from my stash. I used all different types. These are the tags that I did on a live with the book paper, and this stamp is from a Stampin' Up! Stamp set that I had, and I used my trusty decal scissors from Fiskars. So I love using this scissors. You don't have to line it up. It looks distressed. It's just perfect. Okay, so that is one. So they're pretty much all the same. You know, maybe this is silver beeswax, and then here is some gold. Oops. And I added some trim. I don't know. This is like a trim that I got from Hobby Lobby that I got on sale. So they're all different. Some of them are pink, and then some of them I ran out of pink flowers, so I had to use up the rest of my other flowers. I think they still came out really cute, and I can't wait for everybody to get them. Now I'm filling these up with some die cuts that I had in my stash, and so if you know, it's just a little thank you. So it's nothing big. The real present or the real gift are these envelopes, I think, because they are, I love how they all turned out. So there's a little bit of something inside for everybody. And some had a little bit more, only because I didn't, you know, you could make this into a mini album type of thing. So, yeah. So I love how these turned out. They turned out so cute, and some of them are pattern paper die cuts that I have in my stash that I never used. So I just wanted to give them on, pass them on to everybody else. And, you know, and just to say thanks for, you know, joining my challenge. It was my first challenge ever. You know, I've done swaps. I've hosted swaps on my channel before, but I've never done a challenge. So this was really fun. I was surprised of how many people joined, and I'm very thankful for that. So I love how these little envelopes turned out. They turned out super cute. So I'm just showing you all. Well, probably not all of them. Oops, this was upside down. But I really love these buttons. I used a lot of my buttons, which I am so happy. So I have more. I have some in these envelopes already that I'm ready to address out and send off. And I hope you guys like what I've created. Thank you so much for your participation in my challenge. Hopefully I'll do another one soon. And so yeah, guys, thanks for everything. I appreciate you guys coming onto my channel when I do have lives, and leaving comments. I so appreciate that. Thumbs up my videos too. I really appreciate that as well. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great Monday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.